Hey Mecha fans, welcome back to the channel. This is Gunmelo Joe, and today we will be reviewing this bootleg edition of Kampfer. But first things first, let's check out the contents. We get 4 plastic bag of runners and a water slide decal sheet. Upon checking the mold quality, this is a 4 out of 5 since it's a bootleg. It's really close to the original. The thrusters are missing color yellow, so this will be painted later on. I will be using orange yellow from Bosnia. Bandai got lazy on this model since they couldn't add any stickers for color correction on the crotch part. I have panel lined and used metallic markers to actually spice up the details on this model kit, and cleaned up the excess ink using lighter fluid. I tried using the stickers here, but I guess it doesn't stay, so I'll just paint it later on along with the yellow parts on the thrusters. I did not encounter any fitting issues building this model kit, so I will give this one a 4.5 out of 5. Let's check the articulation. The head can go 360. The head also can do a bit up and down, butterfly movement on the shoulder, can do a full 360 waist rotation. The shoulder can only go that far. We have upper arm rotation. We could only lift this arm so far. I forgot to mention that this has more than 90-degree elbow bend and the hands are on ball joints. This is one of the few model kits that can do a high kick. Unfortunately, knee bend is limited, less than 90 degrees, and this hampers the actual articulation as well since we don't have a rotating thigh and the actual feet are quite limited in possibility. This one gets an articulation rating of 3 out of 5. This model kit stands at 14.5 centimeters. Master Grade Gundam Virtue and Master Grade Gundam Shenlong. This is one of the redeeming factor of this model kit. It offers a lot of weapons and accessories for display options. Overall, the gimmick is a 4.5 out of 5. Too bad we don't get a dedicated action base for display options. And that's why I'm giving this a display factor rating of 3 out of 5. Now the question is this worth getting? Given that this model kit is mostly standing without an action base, definitely the weapons and the gimmicks are all worth it. The master grade version also suffers the same issue of limited articulation. So in this case, I think Bandai should actually update a 2.0 version of either the high grade or the master grade. Thank you for reaching this far. If you like this kind of content, don't hesitate to actually share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.